Today is September 1st, 2021. Today we are at Tiliganga, Pasupati. We are going to distribute food to poor and homeless people. The person who helped was Gesitashi Dorje, Director of City Cabling from USA, New York. And the sponsor who donated were Dolma Sirfa on behalf of late son Sonam, 1 year death anniversary. The amount we received was USA $300 and convert Nepali 35,250. The expenses that were spent are food 150, 30,000, and transportation 5,200. Totals 35,250. Thank you. पानी खाएर मलाई त्यहाँ खान्छ कि आउनु चाहिँ भना बनाउनु चाहिँ अहिले पानी खाएर मलाई त्यहाँ खान्छ बड़ा बड़ा होना चाहिए दाल है दाल आफ्नो हातमा है यो हुँदैन एउटा झगडा नगरौँ है